Shogun.
There's Marshallese?
Yeah. You noticed, right?
Oh yeah. I used to have Micronesian there. And normally we only open for dinner, but they start doing lunch.
Oh yeah.
It's time because of COVID. Starting next month, we're gonna start doing sushi too.
Yeah, next month. Yeah.
We'll have sushi on the menu for lunchtime. Dinner, we already have sushi and stuff.
Oh, my daughter likes sushi, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna hook you guys up today, okay?
All right, on. Look at that.
See you much broccoli, man?
Good. Yeah, I know what.
You guys have this stuff, restaurant like this on the...
Alright, on.
Good? Hot, okay? Let's just cool down a little bit. Hot, okay?
Hot. Ubul.
Eat, guys. Eat while it's hot.
Mangan damit. Ano? Kumiro ni? Pamila yun. Ini jangan lo kanat. Did it. Rock and roll.